Good morning, it's Anna Jyoti. I don't do unboxing videos because I get loads of stuff from, suppliers and products. And I mean, I get, from Tropic and Wide Eye, and then all the Amazon stuff that I buy with gua sha and stuff. And so I'm forever unpacking boxes. And if I did package unboxing videos, I'd be doing them every day. Maybe I should get onto that as some content. But when this box arrived, oh my goodness, I was really excited. And this is an unboxing video that I really want to share because I've been waiting a while for it, and I've invested quite a lot into this. I've signed up for this facial training called Kobido, how they say in Japan, Kobido. And it's come just in the most beautiful packaging and so lovely. I mean, really very elegant and very beautiful. And some of it I don't even know what it is until we start the training in December. But first of all, you just get the most beautiful welcome from the Grand Master. He's the 26 Grand Master of Kobido in Japan, Dr. Shogo Mochizuki. I hope I said that right. And it's signed, it says to Anna, best wishes. And he's just the most delightful guy. I've been watching quite a bit of his vids on YouTube, so I'm familiar with him. And then look at this manual. I mean, like manual goals. Amazing. And it's all just beautifully, I mean, just so amazingly packaged, and then again in more cellophane. I won't open it just yet, but it's like a book actually rather than a manual. It's a bit more like a book, and it is absolutely sensational. I'm so excited to open that. These I think are laminates. These are laminates of the let's have a quick peep. These are laminates of the routine. So I think that this is for the level 1 and level 2. Yeah, these are level 1 and level 2 sheets. And amazing. Okay. And then it's all just beautifully wrapped. These, not I'm getting excited over bubble wrap, but it's all sectioned out into these little compartments with this lovely black bubble wrap. It's rather nice. Let's have a look. Let's put some of that bubble wrap to one side, and then, I mean, I don't know what I've got here, but I've got these two products. One of them is called, this one's called Tropical Splash. If we have a quick smell while we're here. Oops. I think, is that a toner? Is that a toner? Nice. I think that's a toner. And then, this one's a bit opened. I'll just clean it up in a minute. Oh, this is a cleanser. This is like a foamy cleanser. I'll clean that up in a sec. And then you get a little sort of pump. Maybe that's for the oil. Oh, so beautiful, so simple, but so elegant and beautiful. And then this product here, this is the hydration serum. Oh my goodness, that's interesting. Like a sort of gel. These are big bottles, these are professional style size bottles. Love a good product, me, you know that. Oh my goodness, what is that? Look, it's got sort of, can you see that? It's got like these lovely little particles in it. Certified organic ingredients. Olive fruit oil, jojoba, rosemary and lavender. Some other bits and pieces. Interesting. Okay, so they're the products. And then you just get promotional postcards. How delightful are these? These could be my Christmas cards. You just get these lovely, oh, how lovely. You get these lovely promotional cards. I think that these are going to be amazing. These can be my either appointment cards or thank you cards. Thank you, teacher. My dog, as usual, howling, barking, shouting. Where's he, Teach? Come on, Teach. He's going to have to wait. Unless he gets... Now, this is interesting. What else is in there? No, that's all. Oh, no. I think this is a stand. This is like a little stand. A rubber stand. For... Let me just check this before I put this on the ground. What's that? No, there's more. Oh, like a funnel. You put like that down there and have a little sniff. There's a funnel. I think the funnel is to put one of these products into that. And then, oh my goodness, check this out. We get the mannequin, the face mannequin. So you get a face mannequin. I thought it looked like it was felt, but it's actually rubber. So well, the whole of the training is with the Grandmaster is on Zoom from Tokyo. And from Tokyo for each week for 10 weeks. And I think that we probably practice on the mannequin while we're doing the Zoom training. And then you go away and you practice on a person. I know that also the master, Dr. Shoko, he likes you to perfect techniques before you embark out there. So, little bag. So yeah, I'm starting in December, and I shall be doing level 1 and 2 initially, and that takes me through to March. And then you get invited to do level 3 and 4. And I think that takes you up to everything that I can do remotely before I would have to then go to Japan. Sorry. I probably, everything that's going on in my life at the moment, it would probably take me a few years to get over there anyway. I'm just going to let my dog out. Sorry, he's crying. He doesn't... No. Teacher, this way. So yeah, it's super exciting, and there we go. It's really exciting, and I don't really know what much more to say until I start doing the training, because once I'm there doing it, I'll be able to talk a bit more about it. But I researched this style because I've been looking at Japanese facial techniques for a while, and looking at this beautiful style. It's the art of facial massage. That's what it is. I mean, I've been super interested in facial massage for over a decade. I mean, I've been in this business for almost 3 decades, and for an entire decade I've been looking at facial work and natural facial massage techniques and tools, and then I was looking at Japanese facial styles and came across Kobido, and I just loved it. I mean, absolutely loved it. And there's very few places in the UK that does the training. There's quite a lot of trainers over in Paris, I believe, and in Europe. There's a lot of Kobido practitioners, and yeah, I mean, I really wanted to learn from the Grandmaster in Tokyo, so I decided to investigate and found myself signing up for this 10-week Zoom level 1 and 2 training that's starting in December. So I'm really excited to bring it to you, and I will be offering this as a treatment and practicing, and then I'm going to be tweaking my natural face rejuvenation massage training just tweaking it to incorporate more Japanese style. So obviously I can't teach Kobido. I don't think I ever will, because I think you have to be level 6 and invited by the Grand Master to be a teacher. Who knows? Who knows what the future will hold? But there's other, and certainly there will be some techniques that I will be able to incorporate from Kobido, but also from Japanese facial training that I've done before, and stuff that I've done remotely that I can certainly bring, and the acupoints and the Ridoki. Let me show you a bit of Ridoki while we're here. Or should I do a separate one with Ridoki? I'll do a separate one. Using the Ridoki rollers and just the massage style. Sorry about my dogs barking in the back. That's always the case. Anyway, I've been 10 minutes. I'm going to stop here. And just keep an eye on socials for new and upcoming events and events and happenings on my channel and in my school. So thank you so much. I apologise for dog barking in the background. It's always the case when I make videos. If you follow my channel, you'll always see the dogs, hear the dogs barking. Anyway, so much love. I'm going to make a Ridoki video in a second once the dogs are settled. And then also talk a bit about my TMJ intraoral work. Okay, see you soon.